Magandang araw! Sa mundo ng hustle culture, parang kasalanan na magpahinga. Pero ang totoo, rest is not laziness. Rest is part of growth. And sometimes, pahinga ang mismong kailangan para magpatuloy. Hello friends! Welcome back to the Voice of Hope podcast series. Kahapon, pinag-usapan natin ang consistency over talent. Ngayon naman, let's balance it out. Kasi consistency without rest leads to burnout. Sa voice acting, hindi lang practice at trabaho ang mahalaga. Ang boses kailangan din ng pahinga. Kung puro ka recording araw-araw, lalo na ng matagal na session, mapapansin mo bumababa ang quality kasi kahit vocal cords natin napapagod. Ganon din sa buhay. Pwede kang productive at passionate pero kung walang pahinga, mapuputol ka rin sa gitna ng laban. Rest doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're recharging para mas lumakas. Genesis 2:2 says, "By the seventh day, God had finished the work He had been doing. So on the seventh day, He rested from all His work." Isipin mo, kung si God mismo nagpahinga, sino tayo para sabihin kaya natin magpatuloy ng walang pahinga? Rest is holy, rest is part of God's design, kaya kung napapagod ka, huwag mong ikahiya. Rest and let God refill your strength. So today, I want to remind you, rest is not wasted time. It's an investment actually. Kung na-encourage ka, share this episode with a friend na kailangang marinig ito. And tomorrow, join me for day 7. Start where you are. Kasi hindi kailangan perfect para magsimula. Here's today's voiceover line. Rest is the pause that makes the music of life more beautiful. Salamat and God bless you.